am so excited to be able to unbox this new release. I wanted to give you a little backstory before I unbox this. Basically, if you want to see in the eye or at the end of this video, I will post it, a link where I did an interview with this amazing artist. And in the interview, I talked about this specific canvas and how I really wanted it to be a diamond painting. And this artist told me, yeah, it's coming out. It's supposed to be a diamond painting. And I'm like, when? And then all of a sudden, this past weekend, when I saw on Instagram that this painting was coming out as a new release, I had to dive and get it. What happened is I got the email at 11:50, I think, a.m. my time. And it told me that, I should be prepared. They were going to release it for Ruby and Diamond members. I'm like, oh, okay. So I get my computer out. I come down to the craft room. I get everything all ready and wait to hit the refresh button, and I get distracted. At 12:03, I'm like, crap, it's 12:03, and I check my email, and there's the link, and I click the link, and it says, sold out, people. I have been waiting months for this, and it was sold out. So, I sit there, and I sit there, and I sit there, and I wait, and I wait, and I wait. And till 12:30, when the next batch goes, I hit refresh. 12:31, refresh. 12:32, refresh. I'm freaking out. I'm thinking, oh my goodness, my computer must be crazy. And then I get the email and I'm like, oh yes. So I quick purchase it and raring to go. What is so inspiring? The artist is Tamara. She's with Willowing Arts. She's fantastic. She's wonderful. And she has bookworm. Look how adorable she is. Oh my goodness. Let's take you in just a little bit closer. Look at that. She's so freaking cute. Okay. So what I like about the box is instantly it tells you by the circle, round diamonds, not square. It also tells you that it has ABs in it. And it's Willowing Arts. It's called Bookworm. It is 51 by 71 centimeters or 20 inches by 28. So freaking excited. If you're brand new, the back also shows you how to diamond paint, which is great. So let's dive in. Now that you've had the backstory, let's see what this beautiful artist has in store. Woo. Shake, shake, shake. All right. Oh, it looks like they've updated your sticker to have a start and end date. It has 54, and this is the first one I've gotten where the stickers are actually pre-cut. Do you guys see that? Oh my goodness, they're pre-cut. 54, and then let's see. 2 ABs, so a green and a white. Anything under 150 is going to be an AB. And you've got your symbols and your color codes. All right, very excited about that. Awesome. You also have this sticker here. What I like to do with this sticker is I like to put it in my logbook right here. This logbook can be found on Amazon or at Rocky Nook. All right. It does come with an amazing diamond painting toolkit. This is a round toolkit, which means there are no tweezers. And I'm going to show you a picture right here of what's in the toolkit. So you get your labels, you get your sticker. Woo, woo. And then it was in a box. It was shrink wrapped, if you noticed. And then I'm trying to rip this open. Let's pull this baby out. It's got that nice, soft velvet back. It is poured glue, so you're not going to get bubbles or rivers. Let's see. I do know that DAC has changed. This is from Diamond Art Club. There's a link down below if you want a percentage off. They have changed their drills. I like that they put the name back on the sticker. This is bookworms, so you know. And then like you see, they are round. Let's look at these colors. Crinkle, crinkle. I'm thinking of doing a back to school kind of event. This would be perfect with books and whatnot. With this silver and blue, it's hard to see the colors. But as you can see, they're vibrant and beautiful. You've got purples and yellows and blues and pinks, different tans and oranges and greens. Absolutely gorgeous. Trying to keep these so they'll go back in the bag. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. I wonder if you have to try out to be a package worker. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna unroll this. Look at that bud! How adorable is she? Oh my goodness. Okay, so you have your key over here in the upper left. You have a key over here in the bottom right. You have your information down here below. Your little pasting area, so it shows it's a full drill. 20 inches by 28, Willowing Arts. Let's look at the drill field. Look how beautiful that is. Right, it is round, so I'm gonna do a close-up so you can see they do have the training wheels, or the dummy circles, as some people like to call it, but they're very faint on a Diamond Art Club so that you don't get leftover black on the outside. So when you do lay them down, there's also a sparkle actually in the canvas, and that's, I've been told, a type of coating that's good for the canvas and good for the color wear. She's absolutely gorgeous. And let's see, let me grab my measuring tape. If you hear lots of banging, I'm okay. So this is legit. Over here you can see it's just under 51 centimeters. And then the long way, we'll have to like add in our brain. Let me do it this way so you guys can see what I'm doing. So you got 61 right here. So you should have another 10. So 50, yep, 50 to 60. So you've got another 10, so that's 71. So it is legit on the sizing, which normally it is for Diamond Art Club. It's got really good stick, the clear cover. Oh, I'm so excited that she is now living in my home. She's so cute. And I'm going to need to name her. What should I name her down below? Maybe when I go and do this, I'll have a, like what we should name her. And whoever wins gets a little prize. We will see. So thank you guys so much. I can't wait to dive into her. I'm hoping to get her done this year because she is somebody that I have been waiting for a long time. Thank you, Diamond Art Club, for providing her for us. And thank you, Tamara, for sharing your art. I can't wait to see what you have next up your sleeve. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.